Good evening and welcome once again to Straight from the Sky. I'm your talk show host, Bobit Avila, and tonight we are honored that we have Governor Saldi Villa of Siquijor. Yes, the island of Siquijor is the only island in the Central Visayas or Region 7 that has no COVID-19 infections, no COVID-19 fatalities, and if you ask me, they should not even be wearing masks or doing any social distancing because they are not infected. But you can see that our governor in Siquijor is still very cautious, and this is something that we are so lucky to have with him tonight, and we'll be back with him after this break. Please don't go away.
Tagal. Parang internet mo. Get the Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans. Up to 200 Mbps for fiber fast days. Switch to Sky Fiber. May lag. Parang internet mo? Get the Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans. Up to 200 Mbps for fiber fast days. Switch to Sky Fiber.
3 major financial needs to complete financial picture. 1. Investment. To generate continuing income for when you retire. Letting money work for you. 2. Income protection. Life insurance, to protect your family if you die too soon. Life insurance protection help finance your children's education, pay estate tax, pay debts instantly. Number 3, healthcare. To provide you healthcare when you retire or when you stop working. Someone to take care of you when you get old. What if I could tell you about a product that provides complete solution to your 3 major financial needs? Kaiser Premium Health Builder provides total solution to your healthcare, investment, and insurance needs.
Thank you for staying with us. Mayang gabi din ha, Governor Villa. It's really an honor for you to be on my show. I've been on this show for 20 years. Unfortunately, kausara ko nakaanhag si Quijor during my Regional Development Council days when we had to fly over by helicopter and had a meeting in Maria. And because of that, I have been to Siquijor, nakasuroy ko, and I'm sure it is more beautiful than the last time I saw it. So, really, before we start talking about Siquijor, let's talk about Governor Saldi Villa. Storyahe tas imong kuan aron maila-ila ka diri sa mga tao sa Ugbo.
Mayong gabi natong tanan, I'm Governor Saldi Samson Villa. This is my last term as governor of Siquijor. I came from a businessman family and a businessman before I entered politics as a governor. Wala ko moagi og mayor, wala ko moagi tanan, ang kandidato ko diretso as governor. So, una, I live in Siquijor, Kandanay Norte, Siquijor. So, this is what Siquijor now. Siquijor now is a tourist destination, one of the tourist destination in the Philippines.
Samot na karon Gob nga wa mo'y makatakod. Therefore, kung ako'y turista, local turista or international, I would choose to go to Siquijor.
Yes. Mangutana ko nimo sir og kanus aka nakaari sa Siquijor unsa nga year?
Maybe it was mga late 1990s, mga during the time sa RDC pa ko, mga 1998 tingali.
No, di pa akong governor. It's a big difference already in Siquijor now. We have our ongoing airport, so that we will have a big plane coming in, like that Airbus 320, and our airport is designed for Airbus 321, the newest plane.
Wow. Kita ko ang inyong runways una, gamay pa to, pero wala ka pagsuroy na mo. Pero lahi magyud karong panahon na kay tinuod na if Siquijor is easily accessible. Kay for us in Cebu, going to Siquijor means driving all the way to Santander, then crossing to Dumaguete, and then mulabang na sad may Siquijor.
Yes. Sa pagkakaroon, hopefully, ang airport will be open on even right now, but only as the 10-seater, 12-seater airplane can come in Siquijor. But once our expansion will be finished, we can have an ATR plane of Cebu Pacific, Philippine Airlines, but by next year, hopefully, with additional budget from the national of 750 million, it was already approved. So we will have a 2 kilometers runway airport. So we can cater the big planes already.
Well, that is, I will talk to Kenneth, who is the chairman of the RDC, to help you.
Yes.
Because after all the budgets come from RDC. And
No. It was given directly from the president.
Kadang diretso. Wow.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow. So the RDC has not given you yet at that time. So pwede ra.
Yeah, Kenneth is my very good friend. Kenneth.
Yes.
We are both Chinese. Oo. But the problem is I've been asking for our urban planning. Until now, we have not received that our urban planning will be pushed through. I don't know whether it is approved already, but hopefully we can have that because this, as what I have told the RDC, that I've been asking that since I become a governor. When I become a governor.
But you said you're now in your last term?
Yeah, this is my last term. This is my third
So
term
this is your
already.
third term there. So you took over from Governor Fua?
Yes.
Yeah. Dugay to si Governor Fua. So unsa man ka nga kanang partido, if I may ask you?
I'm a PDP.
PDP ka. No wonder you won. Because ligon man yung PDP dire. So anyway, you have a very, what you call, very promising future, despite that we might need to go into what you call the new normal. And I just also had a Zoom meeting with Governor Arthur Yap of Bohol last week. So you can just imagine ba nga, sila mismo, na naman sila Panglao Airport, but nasirado sad, they will have to, what you call, adjust to the new normal. Ang kanang imo, sakto na, kaya nga no, ang imong, you can now, what you call, take advantage of your having zero COVID-19 fatalities and zero infection. So, ang turista, mahimo mo anha sa Siquijor nga wa sila kadlukan, mo man ay problema gyud karong panahon na worldwide.
Yeah, actually, and honestly, napag yung mga foreigners na hibilin dire. About almost 200.
Really, ha? Wow.
Yeah. Ang mga turista, pag lockdown, ipangita manggod sila sa ilang mga ambasador. So, their ambassador emailed me nga ilag yung ipabalik ko na ang ilahang
mga citizens,
ilahang countrymen, mga countrymen nila, ilahang kuan nga pabalik ko nila, so gipabalik na. But this almost 200 tourists here, makig-away, makig-kuan, dili gyud mo uli, because ang ilahang kuan is they are more safe here in Siquijor.
That's really true. That's really true. Kay kung granted katsila ka, dako kay problema sa Spain. Kung Italian ka, dako kay problema sa Italy. Kung English ka sa UK, problema na igo magani si Prime Minister Boris Johnson. So you can just imagine nga how people have to be careful nowadays. And if you are in a place where COVID-19 has not really been around, nga nun di man ka mo star. Yeah. By the way, pila man ka mo resort na ron diha sa Siquijor?
Actually, we have almost 100 resort.
Wow! So una, atong panya to ko, sumayalag na ay 20. Wow, usab ng gyud ang Siquijor. And that is really something.
I will invite you in Siquijor. Please consider my invitation.
Yes, I will be bringing
Big difference.
tourism regional director Shalimar Tamano. Kay migo kami. And we'll be back for our set. Please don't go away. We'll be back shortly.
Ay, May lag. Parang internet mo? Get the Sky Fiber Super Speed plans. Up to 200 Mbps for fiber fast days. Switch to Sky Fiber. Bagal kasi. Parang internet mo? Get the Sky Fiber Super Speed plans. Up to 200 Mbps for fiber fast days.
Ako single.
Switch to Sky Fiber.
Thank you for staying with us. We're back with Governor Villa. So, let's now talk about ngano wa may COVID-19 dinha sa Siquijor. Kay every time katong mga 3 months ago, matanaw mo jud ko sa mga daily COVID-19 mga kuan sa DOH, zero man ang Siquijor. Nya up to July, zero, hastang fatality zero. So there is something that Siquijor is doing na nahadlok ang COVID-19. Can you explain to me, Governor Villa?
Actually, we have a strict implementation when we lock down our province. Wa gyud may gipauli at the time nga kuan, but I have given them 2 weeks nga pagpapauli nila dire before him lockdown po. But dili man sila gyud mo uli anaw. Wa na koy mahimo. So karon lockdown, ang ako yung gibuhat is pag-abot sa pantalan, kinahanglan og naay entrance pass nako nga approval in that particular person, ako muuray makasulod diri, but it would be quarantine for 14 days. Swab test namo, then quarantine for 14 days. Careful kaayo mi, but our local resident here in Siquijor, free ra sila pag tuyok-tuyok. Wala mi mag-control from one town to other town. Wala. We are free here pag tuyok-tuyok.
In short,
Pero,
inyong public transportation ninyo, what ninyo give up?
Wala na mo gi-give up. Wala na mo gi-give up.
Pareha good mo sa Bohol.
Right now,
Pareha good mo sa Bohol. Kang Bohol, wa man sad sila mo give up. Nya usara may fatality nila.
oh yes. Ang road transportation na mo, wala na mo gi-give up. Pero ang only cargos among gipapaabot dire.
Correct. Oh. I think you have managed it very well kay nga nadungog naman mo sa entire Philippines nga ang Siquijor zero. Nya sa entire Central Visayas number 1 gud ming Cebu. Nya ang nya kamo zero.
Actually, with God's blessing.
Correct.
With God's blessing, because ang mga katauhan sa Siquijor is a very religious people.
Correct.
So, I think wala gyud mi masudlan kaluoy sa Dios. And in fact, gabino ang gani ko in the last daghan kay nga interview nako, ang akong binuang lang nila nga nahadlok ang COVID namo sa barang. Nahadlok sa barang. But actually, binuang rin yun ng ako ang istorya. Pero ang amo lang is very strict implementation na mo. What among gisabutan sa IETF, sa among IETF, mo amo ang kuan gibuhat diri sa Siquijor. Even my son, being the congressman now, wa good gani kauli dinhi sa Siquijor.
Wa kauli.
Wala kauli, wa nako aprubahi. Wa nako aprubahi nga mo uli siya diri. Even my mother-in-law died. He cried na gusto gyud siya makakita sa iyang grandmother. Because maog kunoy gabuhi niya when he was 1 year old until 3 years old. Mo igabuhi niya, gusto lang gid siya mo
bisita.
Pay respect to his grandmother, but I said no. I said no, you cannot go home because of my executive order. And what we have a meeting that come out in our IETF, mo na gyud na ang procedure karon sa Siquijor. Even you are my son, even you are the congressman of the province.
Believe ko yun mo because not anybody can think that way. Maybe sa ako lang ni ha, nagduda ko kay di magug ka politiko. Since you're not a politician, you don't think like a politician. And if that's being so, that is why you can make that kind of order, because a politician would be a different animal when it comes to bringing home his son, kaya naman siya entitlement. But you don't feel that way because you are not a politician. So since you're not a politician, you are not thinking the way politicians think. And I salute you, Governor Villa, for that.
Yeah, sa tinuod lang, mo na akong gisulti sa mga tao. I did not dream to be a politician. I think this is God's calling because I am not a politician, although my parents, my father is a politician before, and my younger brother, who is the mayor, is the first politician also of our family. But me, being a businessman, I just want to help improve Sikihor. Mora ginay ang gisulti sa mga katawan because I pity the people of Sikihor nga luoy kaayo ang mga kwan. In fact, sa among RDC, it came out that when I become a governor in 2013, our poverty incidence is 49.7%. But before the lockdown, our poverty incidence is 7.2%. Our national poverty incidence is 12.3%.
So you're better than the national?
Now, yeah, we are the lowest in terms of poverty incidence in the whole Philippines. And I'm so happy about that. It came out from the NEDA survey and came out when we have an RDC meeting in Bohol. So nakurat ko kay I don't even have the statistics that we got already the 7.2%. So namakpak sila nako. Nalipay sa ko because what I have done, ako yung gitrabaho ang akong dreams for Sikihor. I did not dreams for myself and to my family already because I have only one kid, one son, who is already the congressman. So, I think, kabalo naman kita sa atong kinabuhi, life is too short, nga we cannot bring what we earn here
on earth.
in the world.
Yes.
Cannot bring in heaven.
Correct yun.
Cannot be brought in heaven.
Tinuod yun na. Wag kayo mada bisa pag himo kapag pila ka milyon nga kwarta pero isuod nimo slungon pero malata ra sana slungon kay di man na nimo mada. So that's a very very beautiful what you call principle. A principle that very few mayors in this country have already thought of. And because what is happening to this global pandemic today, di man kumutuo nga wa mahibaw ang Ginoo ani. The Lord is punishing places that giguba nilang simbahan, giguba like a good example, the US ang statue ni Mama Mary ilang gigugawan, giputol ang kay ngano kanang Black Lives Movement puro man na Marxist nya, puro man na sila komunista og thinking. So if you think about mga like China, sige gubag simbahan, sige bali og mga cross muna for the first time in China's history, more than 40 days and 40 nights gauhan nga grabe na kay ilang flooding. And I think this is biblical in that sense because our Lord is already fighting back to make sure that people will always remember that God is around. And we'll be back with Governor Villa after this break. Please don't go away. We'll be back shortly.
first song. Thank you.
Bilis maka-sound trip. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
For today's look,
Bilis makaganda. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
LU pare.
Bilis maka-vacay. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
Thank you for staying with us. We're now halfway to the show, having no less than Siquijor Governor Saldi Villa, who is the governor of the entire province of Siquijor in Region 7 that has zero COVID-19 fatalities, zero COVID-19 infections. And he has done something because they are not allowing people to just come in for the sake of bringing them back. So it's really a great honor to have Governor Villa here on our show. So let's continue, Gov. Let's now talk about hapit namang mahuman ang July, supposed to be August musugod ang klase. Ako nisuwat kong kolong without you knowing it in Philippine Star, and I said that Siquijor doesn't have to follow the mandate of President Rodrigo Duterte nga di siya gusto face-to-face. So I said, nganong i-punish man niya ang Siquijor nga pwede raman sila mo balik og eskwela. And they can just prepare themselves like they don't even have to wear mask kay wa may natakdan. Diyan magkuan lang sila, social distancing lang sila. So what is your take on that, Go?
Actually, sa DepEd karon without superintendent, ang among meeting yun is in fact sa SEF namo budgetan gyud nako, i-aprobahan na nako ang mga computers sa mga maestra, mga laptop, i-aprobahan na nako para sa maestra. At the same time, gikuanan po nako og computer ang mga student so that they can have ang ako lang po is if for example sa akong gikaingon na og mag face to face manggaling, tunga-tungaon lang ang estudyante patunghaon.
Yes.
Ang padadon po sila sa ilang materials na adto lang sila mag-study sa kuan. So ining kuan tawagon na po sila aron continuous. But our Governors League, ang gusto nila is October yun ang opening.
Correct.
But the DepEd insisted August 24. But wag mo tayo mahimo because that's the decision. Pero ang ako lang yun is og mag face-to-face manggaling, there should be a social distancing.
Yes, yeah.
Ang mga student. So, munang akong giingon nila nga ang classroom og 30 student, imo lang nilang napulo, then the next following day another 10, and then the next following day another 10. Unya padadon na pud sila sa ini kuan na po mo na po na ilang i-report sa ilahang na studyhan sa ilahang kuan. So mo na ang ako ang pasabot sa DepEd.
In fact, when I interviewed Director Jimenez during that about 2 weeks ago, ang akong kuan niya pangayo bisag ka ng sa Cebu gud di magud tanan na ay wifi, dili tanan makontak na may area sa mountain barangays nga di gyud makontak. So ang solusyon ako siyang giingnan nga sa una ang usa ka maestra 40 ka buok estudyante pwede na lang i-20 kay aron di na mahuot ang eskwelahan. So gusto kay siya na ang problema lang lagi kay naa may gisulti sa presidente nga dili siya gusto face to face. So muntahin ko okay na nato sa Cebu kung wa may face to face, but a place like Siquijor pwede mo ma-exempted actually, sayang.
Yeah, actually exempted man me because kuan man me kaning
GCQ.
MCQ kuan man me modified naman me.
Oh.
Moderate me.
Yeah.
So low risk me ang province.
Correct. Very low risk.
Low risk, very low risk me. Pero we will still observe the social distancing yapon.
Did you ever close your mga restaurants?
Wala gyud. As of now, reopen na namo. I think that was 2 months ago. 2 months ago, reopen na namo. Even our Jollibee here, wa gina maka-close din sila ever since we lockdown.
So,
pero,
follow sila kuan social distancing.
Yeah, they follow the social distancing. Abot sa ilang doorstep na ay rugs with one and they have alcohol.
Correct. So, wapo. At least follow sila what you call the standards that this new environment that we have to play na wearing mask, social distancing, and washing of hands. Muna the most important kan dili mo spread ang coronavirus.
Yes. Even the pesta in Enrique Villanueva, we have fiesta here before. In Lassie, in yesterday in Enrique Villanueva. But ang gibuhat karon sa mga gapesta batch by batch, 10 person this hour, 10 person this hour. O nga, naapag alcohol gibutang daan nga kinahanglan mawasan sila before. So, ing anak gyapon ang among gibuhat diri sa Siquijor. Nga careful kaayo mi, although we have a zero COVID, but we are very careful aning putanga.
Yes, this is what you call kuan na nimo gob kanang grabe kag kanang preparasyon ba, because you are scared that it will happen to Siquijor, so you did the right things already before it can happen to you.
Yeah, actually, I'm very thankful to the people here in Siquijor na they obey what my decision is. I'm so very happy with what the people gave me, trust me for my decision. Nalipay kog dako what akong i-implement, mutuog yun sila nako. Nalipay kog dako sa mga katawhan, nagpasalamat ko sa mga katawhan.
By the way, pila may population ron sa Siquijor?
Right now, our province has 106,000
Wow.
population only.
Only.
We are a small island.
Correct.
Oo.
So, because of that, kuan kayo dili ba gahuot ang mga tao, unlike dire Sugbo nga ang magpuyo sa, let's say, sa kanang Alaska mambaling, porteng ang bisa mag social distancing ka pa, nigulin mo why social distancing kay mga silingan kay gadikit sa raman sana ako giblame na ako sa mga politicians, kay mga politicians niya to papuyon ka daplin sa pa, di nila undangon, di nila bungkagon imong shanty, kay total butante man kanila. But I have always written already nga the new ruling has to change, because in Cebu, kung number 1 ta sa COVID, it is also because nga ang mga tao gadikit og puyo sa ilang mga squatter colonies. And the squatter colonies only sprouted because there are many jobs in Cebu City. So karon, I wrote that column which became viral in the internet nga Cebu City is the number 1 in the world and the longest lockdown in the world. So karon kuan me kanang what you call, we are now on a modified enhanced community quarantine. So we are what you call a special kind of people in this day of MECQ, and that is why we are still locked down here. Bisag ang what you call coronavirus, wa pa may vaccine, we'll just have to what you call agwanta lang ta, and we'll be back for our final set after this break. Please don't go away. We'll be back shortly.
Huwag mo siyang pakasalan!
Bagal kasi. Parang internet mo. Get the Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans. Up to 200 Mbps for fiber fast days.
Ako single.
Switch to Sky Fiber.
First song. Thank you.
Bilis maka-sound trip. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
For today's look,
Bilis makaganda. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
LU pare.
Bilis maka-vacay. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
The theory of decreasing responsibility explains how your life insurance needs change over time. In the early years, you may need a lot of life insurance coverage, but in the later years, you may not. In the early years, when you're younger, you don't have a lot of money, but in the later years, you'd better have money. How does this fit with your insurance needs? Today, when you're young, loss of income due to a premature death would be devastating. Your children are young and you might have high debt and a house mortgage. Your need for insurance is highest at this time. When you get older, retirement income is needed. Your children are grown, your debts are lower, and your mortgage is paid. If you have savings, you are self-insured, diminishing your needs for insurance. That's the theory of decreasing responsibility. By having life insurance when your financial responsibilities are the greatest, you can have peace of mind knowing your family's future is protected.
Thank you for staying with us. We're now on a final set with Governor Saldi Villa. So, Gob, makikuan lang ko sa imong, what do you think is the new future for Siquijor?
Come again?
Imong bag-o nga, sa may bag-o nimo nga lagda para sa Siquijor, sa may plano nimo nga kay kuan mga Siquijor na known na ron nga wa moy COVID-19, so maybe you have something new in this new normal that we're going to face.
Actually, before ato ang interview ko, nami untay meeting karon, a special meeting, because this afternoon we will have a general meeting with the all agencies in our IATF. We will have a meeting for our discussion what we will do for the next 15 days again, because it was already announced the other night by our president nga una ni ang status nato. But sa akong paglantaw sa Siquijor, normal ramang yun namo diri ang Siquijor, wa man yun mi kuan, pero ang amo is careful lang mi sa amo ang pagpasulod dinhi sa probinsya sa Siquijor.
That's very important. Kay para nako munay rason nga wa mo matakde. Kay very strict kay ka.
Oo, actually na ay makasulod diri. Unya walay entrance pass namo diri. Pabalikon gyud nako og pasakay sa barko. Dili gyud nako. Dili sila kasulod sa pier sa port. Mabalik na lang sila sa barko. So ibalik yun sila sa ilang destination. Dis sila gikan. Munay gibuhat nako sa diri sa Siquijor.
So kanong panahon na nga kami diri Sugbo nga supposed to be up to July 30th or 31st baka nang mo kuan mi mawa mi sa among modified niya mahimi og general community quarantine. There are many problems that we are facing. Like most of our restaurants have been shut down. That means our restaurants need to hire new employees, and our resorts and hotels have also shut down. That means they have to hire not the full complement of employees, but only on a staggered basis. Mo man new normal sa Sugbo. In fact, ang airlines, PAL ug ang Cebu Pacific, inahinay na og Cebu Manila and Manila Cebu.
Open,
yeah. But like I said, naanad magud mi Sugbo niadto nga perting in the year 2019, we were having a very, very prosperous year. Unfortunately, niagay lang ng COVID, so maybe it's a way that the Lord is teaching us some kind of humility, nga reminding us nga ang Ginoo gyud in charge sa tanan, whether you like it or not.
That's really true.
I'm very glad nga kuan kay ka spiritual sa kay ka kay kanira bang mga tao dinhi sa Sugbo kuan ra ba kayo kanang spiritual sad, no? Ang problema lang gahigo. Ingon si President Duterte nga gahigo ang mga netizens sa social media, sige atake sa presidente nga di man ko gahigo kamo tingali. But then just the very next day there was a procession in Alumnus Mambaling. Imagine nagsinulog sila gamas pero wa mag social distancing. So akong gikuan sa mga tao nga takto gyud si President Duterte nga gahi gyud tag-o. Ang problema lang kamong mga pride ninyo sobra sa inyong pride nga giatake ninyong presidente for telling us the truth. Ang problema na to is that you cannot accept the truth. So now we'll go back to Siquijor. So by that time nga kuan ang barko ninyo kanos aman makasudsod na gamay mga tao. Unsa may requirement din mo? Staggered. We will have actually connect with me from other like Cebu. Kay actually ang amo ang mga vessel din coming in is from Dumaguete, from Cebu, and from Tagbilaran. Right now wa man gi-aprubahan pa sa wa pa man aprubahay ang pascraft pagkadagan. So it's only a ro-ro vessel.
coming from Cebu and coming from Dumaguete. But before, mukontak yun usa sila na mo sa PDRRM o aprubahan ba, then I will sign everything. Kaya di man po mo approve ang nakanindot na mo dire, kay ako ray mo approve. One person ra ang maka-approve o 15 pasudlon.
Correct.
So nalipay kong dako kay ilaha man pong kagustuhan.
Correct.
Ako ra gyud mo approve, why lain maka-approve nga pagpasulod nato dinhi sa Siquijor. So careful gyud kayo, very careful. Our frontliners, our barangays, every night ang mga barangay tanod, they work 24 hours by shifting ang atong mga barangays nga dili gyud makakuan, because we are surrounded by waters. Our province is surrounded by waters, so all barangays are always alert. Even all mga barangay tanods, atong mga barangay officials, they are always alert 24 hours.
Nag-curfew ba mo? Nag-curfew ba mo, Gob? Curfew.
Curfew gihapon mi.
Nag-curfew.
May curfew.
I see.
10 o'clock, from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock in
Wow.
the morning.
Wow.
Pero ang mga tao nalipay man kaayo what I have done to the province. Kung nangingon ko nga nalipay sa kaay ko nila, kapasalamat ko nila, because honestly, once I talk, they will listen.
Yes. Because
ako kay kong pasalamat sa mga katauhan.
Because no nonsense man ka nga gobernador. Kay wa man ka buhat ana para sa imong political career, labi ng last term na nimo. So ano mo makuan man sila, magduda man sila. Kami dire Sugbo puro gyud politika, samo kayo. Muna ingon lagi nga to a point nga di takagwanta usahay ba. That's why daghang kay giingon nga gipada si Secretary si Mato, gipada dire Sugbo kay tungod kuno nga gahig-ong mga politiko. Well, there is some truth to that whether you like it or not, but sao man mo nga ang Sugbo dako man gihapon kay in a way honest man sang Sugbo anon nga nagpa check up niya. Pag check up mo gawas man gyud nga naay mga COVID-19 nga na-infected. So but unfortunately wa na may kanang what you call mubo biya. In fairness to the Philippines, we only have 1,300 people fatalities in COVID-19, which means for a population of 104 million Filipinos, that is really a small figure. And unfortunately, we run out of time. We will just be asking our Governor Villa for his parting statements after this final break. Please don't go away. We'll be back shortly.
First song. Thank you.
Bilis maka-sound trip. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
For today's look,
Bilis makaganda. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
LU pare.
Bilis maka-vacay. Ganyan sa Sky Fiber Super Speed Plans.
Thank you for staying with us. We'll now ask Governor Villa for his parting statement. Please go ahead. Go.
May gabi natong tanan, ilabi na sa probinsya sa Siquijor. Ako dako kay ko kalipay, nagpasalamat sa mga katauhan nga ang mga katauhan mutuo what I will implement for Siquijor, for the good of Siquijor. Akong kalipay dako kaayo para sa Siquijor, pagtabang sa Siquijor, pag-usap sa Siquijor, because our Siquijor is one of the best tourist destination. And as of now, our province, we have zero COVID. I'm very thankful to the Lord that they protect us, they protect our people here in the province of Siquijor. Og daghan kayong salamat kaninyong tanan.
Thank you, Governor Saldi Villa, for telling us what he has done for the people and the province of Siquijor. And I hope we people in Cebu who are watching this show will realize that how Governor Villa has controlled the entry of people to this small island has also what you call stabilized Siquijor to the point it has zero fatalities and zero infected of COVID-19. And you've heard it here in Straight from the Sky. I'm Bobit Avila. Thank you and good night.